Hey guys, I'm so excited that you're here for my third and last video on division. Today we're going to be talking, or this last time, we'll talk about standard algorithm for how to divide. Okay, I'm ready to go. We're going to do the exact same problem and just listen for the steps because this is more of something that you memorize. And you can use what you've learned in the last two videos and hopefully you're going to start seeing, oh yeah, I remember why it is the way it is. Here we go. So let's read it again. There are 4 buses coming to pick up the 4th graders for their field trip. If there are 168 4th graders, how many students will be on each bus? At this point, I hope you're not tired of this word problem. But in good practice, we're going to read it one more time. So there are 4 buses coming to pick up the 4th graders for their field trip. 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 168 4th graders, how many students will be on each bus? If you're doing the standard algorithm, or what I like to call long division, and that's how most of us learned it when we were little kids, running out of room, it's going to be a lot of the same steps again and again. If you don't have your facts memorized, I really encourage you. In fact, I'm going to make you have to make your T-chart. This is how we always set up a long division problem. 4 divided by, that's our division sign, 168. If 4 is my number that I'm dividing by, and that's how many groups I want, I need a 4's T-chart. Sad day, I'm going to run out of room. Oh well. Usually we would have enough, but since I'm making a video, I don't, and I don't think it's going to matter for this problem. But usually I want you to finish it. So 4 times 0 is 0. I'm just going to fill this out really quick. 4 times 0 is 12. What am I doing? 4 times 5, my bad. 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 28. 32. Okay. And this is going to bother me because that's supposed to be a 20. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to look at and see, is there any way that I can put, if this is in my hundreds place, do I have enough to put in each group? Well, just like the last videos, we said no. There's no way I have enough. The closest I've got is a 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Here's when you subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Remember what we talked about in class. Divide. 1 divided by 4 is 0. Multiply. We know that 0 times 4 is 0. Subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring it on down. Bring the 6 down. I'm left with 16. Okay, we're going to label these the top numbers and the bottom numbers. This will help you. What number on the bottom, 16, so here's where you need to be looking, can I find? I can find 4 times 4 gives me 16. What number do I put on the top? 4. What number do I put on the bottom? 16. I want you to always label it top, bottom, top, bottom. 16 minus 16 is 0. All right, we did. So here's our first. Remember, it gets confusing, but this is our first part of the problem. Then we can switch a color and we can see here was the second step. You're memorizing in steps. Here's our third step. Okay, let's see. Bring an 8 down. Time to bring it down. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Bring the 8 down. Okay, look at the bottom numbers. What is closest to 8? Well, 8. Circle the answer. Look at the number that you need to put on top, and it's a 2. Put the 2 on the top. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. There's no remainders. There's no kids left out, which we're so thankful for. This is what you circle as your third part. Do you see how we did the same steps for each one? And remember what I taught you. We had our little song. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. That tells you the steps to go in. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. If you can memorize that or Dr. Division, that will really help you. Boys and girls, you have found your answer here. 42, just like every other time we've done it. 42 is how many kiddos can be on each bus. I really hope that these have helped you. Let me know if you have questions, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.